Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I'll be doing some barbecue baked chicken. Right now I have some chicken thighs and breasts. Basically season chicken with scotch bonnet, pepper, onion, thyme and some jerk seasoning. I also left the skin on for some flavor, which will be removed after cooking. This will be the barbecue that I'll be using on the chicken. Yeah man, before it's about 3/4 finish. So just check it out when it's in the baking pan. So back. Yeah peeps. Yeah man, so the chicken is now in the baking tin. I use a little coconut oil to grease the bottom of the pan so the chicken won't stick. But as you can look and see, that's all the ingredients that there. Looking mighty nice, you know. The scotch bonnet pepper, the scallion, the onion, the pimento. Yeah man, also some powdered jerk seasoning, you know. Yeah man, so this is how we do it. So this is going to be going into the oven for about half an hour. Yeah, so it's going to be properly baked. And then I'll be adding my barbecue. I'll be using the rest of this seasoning here to use with the barbecue to baste the chicken. Yeah man, that's all the seasoning that this chicken was being soaked into for about 2 hours in the fridge. So you know it's well soaked right now. So yeah man, basically this is how we do it. Barbecue baked chicken. Yeah man, quite nice. I know it'll be very tasty. So check it out when it's finished. Alright? Cool. Yeah my people. Finished product. All done now, all done. Yeah man. This is my barbecue baked chicken. Yardman style, Jamaican style. Yeah man, what you guys think? Yeah man, you can leave a comment, you know. Give a like, share and subscribe, you know. Starting out, young channel. So all the support you can get, but I greatly appreciate it. So once again, thank you for watching White Style channel. And you have a blessed day or a blessed night. Yeah man. Thanks for watching.